We're videotaping you, Khalil.
Oh my god, he's like a freaking ninja. Where'd he go?
DJ, yeah, there he is.
There he goes.
You keep an eye on DJ. I keep an eye on Khalil.
Alright. Khalil, don't die.
Mariah, you're taking my camera and uploading. You're like a freaking black silhouette against the sun. Come on.
Oh, the sun is making this so hard.
God, I wish I could get up there.
Me too.
Where is he? This way.
My boobs hurt. Don't die.
Where's Khalil?
Did he disappear?
Oh, there he is.
Where?
Hello, look at this.
DJ, Khalil.
Where are our cameras?
I don't want to run anymore, so.
You cannot be a parkour videotaper if you cannot run.
Come on, guys. As long as you don't kill yourself, because I saw the movie Frozen, not good.
Yeah, this is nice. We're gonna stop here.
Come on, that's like nothing.
Nah. You ain't know unless you're up here. Yeah.
You guys suck. I'm ending this.
Come on, Mariah.
Christ, what a runner. I'm a lover.
I don't give a damn.
My bell tingles with my boobs. Oh,
Hurry,
but
get
you
down.
can jump from there, but not there.
Hurry up. You're attracting attention. Yay!
Both were the same height, right?